Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to turn on crisis and emergency alerts on the X app, formerly known as Twitter, when using it on your PC. With the latest update, the process is simple but a few details have changed, so be sure to follow along step by step. First, open the X app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the left side of your screen. You'll see a main menu with several options, like Home, Explore, and Notifications. Go ahead and click on Notifications. When that page loads, you'll notice a small gear icon, or the word Settings near the top right corner of your notification panel. Click on Settings to open your notification preferences. This is where all your alert options are managed. Next, select Preferences from the menu that appears. Under Preferences, you'll find a section labeled Push Notifications. Click on that to continue. This area controls all of the updates X can send you in real time. Now scroll until you see the category called From X. Here, you'll find several types of optional notifications, everything from trending posts to safety alerts. Make sure that the option labeled Crisis and Emergency Alerts is checked. Once that box is turned on, X will send you critical messages and updates whenever there's an emergency or a verified crisis situation in your area. These alerts can include natural disasters, major public safety threats, or urgent updates from official organizations. Keeping this setting turned on ensures that you get the right information quickly, directly from X, without missing anything important. After enabling it, take a moment to double-check that your browser's notifications are also allowed for X. Without that permission, you might not receive those alerts even if they're enabled in the app. And that's it. You've now successfully turned on crisis and emergency alerts on X using your PC. Staying informed and safe just got easier with this quick update. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching.